I want to take this time to show you the answer to a very common question that I get in regards to formatting. When you are inserting numeric values into a text box that's already formatted as a currency, your number will obviously display as a currency, right? But what if I wanted that number displayed in a message box? And I'll click on this currency button to show you what I mean. Now, there's no predefined formatting in message boxes. I can't just click on a drop-down and change this. I could go into the Visual Basic and manually type in my $sign, or I could use the format function in VBA. And let me show you how that works. So I'll switch over to my Visual Basic editor, and you can see my simple message box there that was attached to the on-click event for that currency button. And I'm going to format this number as a currency using the format function. So I'll go ahead and type in format. You see here it's asking for the expression, that's the number or field that I want to change into a currency or format to a currency. And then next it's asking for the format. So I'll type in currency here, and it does need to be surrounded by double quotes. And then I'll go ahead and close my parentheses. So when I switch back to Access and then go ahead and give a click again, now my number is formatted as a currency, and that's exactly what I wanted to do.